This is pretty new. It's got a cosmic bulb. And then there's a few fans here. Here we got this comet. Yep. Yeah, they don't work. Oop. But over here, this is Casanova's newer generation. Hadley. Based out of a turn of century Euros. Yeah. It's another Hadley. Dempsey. Builder Plus. It's Builder actually. And Crestfield. That's the one hanging up here. Acker. Builder Plus. Builder Plus there. Georgetown. Comet. Contempora 4. That's a newer one. Contractor's Choice and Industrial. There's a lot of these. This is pretty cool. So yeah. Thanks for watching. There's just a few more I just missed. Forgot to talk about. This is the Travis, and this is the Erling. That's the one I saw at Barlow's. Thanks for watching.